to another video. Hello baby. In the last video we actually got out of quarantine in Grenada and we are exploring. We made some friends and you guys probably know them.
We're Alejo and Andrea and we've been sailing the Caribbean for the past 20 months.
Wants to show off his motorcycle just because it's bigger than ours.
That's what she said. Like really good. You want a
Mojito?
Mojito?
Are you serious?
Maybe.
This time we met a crew with an incredible story.
She was in bad shape, but we rebuilt her and sailed from South Africa.
Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. Oh, you guys installed new engines too, right?
Yeah, we put the engines in. We have a single head on the boat.
Nice.
A washing machine. Oh.
What? Do you want to tell me a little bit about Lady Africa before we go in?
Okay, so Lady Africa is a...
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
So these are our new South African friends. These are Ricky and Simone. Hello guys.
Hello.
So tell us a little bit about your story. Where do you live? What's your catamaran? What's your story?
So we live on Lady Africa. And yeah, we're from South Africa, like you said. That's it. That's it.
We sailed to Grenada 3 months ago and gonna hang out here in hurricane season with these cool dudes.
Nice. And you sailed the Caribbean. You already did a crossing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so Atlantic crossing.
So they're pros. They're not like newbies like us that have no idea what we're doing. They're really good at this. So this is, what is it, a grocery store? Like a budget marine.
We want to take them up there. We had a couple of them on the lake and then
Is that the dinghy you want? Not that one?
you think it's going to be
How big is that one?
Go 0.4,
And how big do you want your dinghy?
11 point something. So we're getting this one for Andrea.
Oh,
This
it's
is the
like a
dinghy.
baby dinghy. That's for a dog or something, right? So we went to the grocery store the other day and it was super expensive, but today Simone and Ricky actually brought us to like a little farmer's market. He is a local and he comes pretty much every week just to like sell what's local food because everything that's imported is super expensive. And yeah, we paid like 400 bucks for it. The smallest grocery, like the smallest thing.
Or make it...
So guys, we just got here from the farmer's market and this is all we got. We got almost like a full bag of fruits and vegetables and we paid 70 easies, which is about $25. We're in an island, so it's still not bad, but the learning lesson that we had is that we really cannot buy anything that is imported because after looking at the receipt from the time we went to the actual grocery store, we realized that for a little small pack of frozen raspberries, we had paid 23 easies, which is, hold on, that's $10 for a little bag of frozen raspberries, and we bought 3 of them because we didn't look at the price, because we're so used to just like grabbing stuff in the US and not looking at the prices, and here we cannot do that because we ended up paying literally $400 for nothing that much. Like it was just a small little car. So now we're going to focus our shopping in local food, local produce from farmers markets. We are going...
from farmer's market.
What are you doing, sir?
We're loading up the scooters. We're gonna go get some ice cream with our new friends. We're so excited to have friends.
You know, you sound like such a loser right now. I'm so excited to have friends. We're going with Simone and with Ricky. We're gonna look at the town, we're gonna explore the island, and we are also going to get some ice cream.
Ice cream!
If you have been following us for some time, you know that Alejo, if there's something that Alejo loves, it's ice cream. We got to Lady Africa's boat, and they're like, yeah, you guys ready? You know, all pumped up and stuff. And they're like, yeah, you got your swimsuits and everything. We're like, what swimsuits? You guys never told us we had to wear swimsuits. So we're here thinking like, you know, we're exploring, I don't know, a mall in the middle of a city. And you know, this is the island life. We had totally forgotten that we should have worn swimsuits. So we'll come back to get our swimsuits and then continue with the adventure. We are going, as always, in our scooters, but Ricky, he has no faith. He wants to show off his motorcycle just because it's bigger than ours.
That's what she said.
He has no faith, but we will prove him wrong that our scooters can make it. Thank you so much. Thank you. You said this is the best ice cream you've ever tasted, right?
Chocolate coffee, hands down.
Yeah.
Taste it. Tell me what you think.
Like really good.
You want to regret your decision?
I'm gonna take it.
Yeah? You liked it? YouTubers! Grenada was from the British.
Yeah.
Anchor Independent?
Yeah.
Yeah. Simone, say it. Your accent makes it sound so much better. It sounds great. It sounds
So all
so
those people on that list were executed right there.
You see,
For
right
the-
there.
Yeah, was it?
Executed right there.
Right
That makes it
there.
sound so much better.
Check those bullet holes in that pole.
Oh yeah, there.
Oh man, yeah.
This is a bullet hole.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is the exit.
Yeah.
That's the entry. And here's the entry.
Oh, wow. That's insane.
So yeah, there was actual
killing
Like
here.
shooting.
In
Yeah.
1498, Christopher Columbus discovered Grenada. He called it Concepcion.
So we were anchored there.
The name Grenada comes from Spanish sailors. The island changed hands several times between Britain and France until it was awarded to Britain in 1783, gaining independence in 1974.
So much better to be here for hurricane season than we would have been stuck up there in Virginia with
With
brown,
chocolate water.
dark water. We were just at the beach. It's a really nice spot. It's a really nice beach. You can see here lots of cruisers everywhere, lots of kids, lots of families. The water is actually nice. It's blue. You guys were saying that this is the nice beach, right, of Grenada?
I think so. We've done quite a few beaches. This and BBC.
It's the nice one. But that one's a special too. We'll show you them. They're
Yeah.
pretty good. But this is the nicest one.
Pretty cool. What do you think?
Nice.
Mojito time?
Mojito? Are you serious?
Maybe.
Oh wow, motivated. So I'm working on my South African accent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, Simone?
Tell 'em.
She's perfect.
How's it going, bro? No, shoot, I missed it. No. Laka. Yes,
Laka.
water. Lakaman.
And what's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is the water. Water. Baby, do you want to work on your South African accent?
No. I don't even know how to speak English. So.
I love it. Legend, man.
So guys, we are anchored still here in Grenada in
Pickle Bay.
Prickly Bay. I'm having some issues saying prickly or pickle. So we are anchored here and you guys met Simone and Ricky from Lady Africa and today we're gonna show you their boat. So they spent 2 years refitting. They just basically bought the shell, right?
Totally.
Removed everything and sort of almost build the catamaran from scratch.
Yeah.
Would you do it?
No.
These guys are tough cookies
Tough cookie.
because we would not be able to do that. Bye, Hakuna. Say bye, Hakuna.
Peace, Hakuna. We're never coming back.
I don't say that. Check out the number of boats that are around here. Lots of boats everywhere. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're introducing you guys to Lady Africa.
If we can make it.
Oh, if we can make it to the boat because our dinghy's like messed up again. My introduction again. And ladies and gentlemen, Lady Africa. Hello!
What's up?
We're here trying to get a thumbnail. Thank you guys for having us.
That's how you always talk.
Thank you. Hello, how are you?
How's it going with you? It's so bright.
Oh, I know. Do you want to tell me a little bit about Lady Africa before we go in?
Okay, so Lady Africa is a 1991 Dean catamaran made in South Africa. We rebuilt the boat. She was in very bad condition. So we rebuilt the boat about 3 years ago, and she was in bad shape, but we rebuilt her and sailed from South Africa to Grenada, and here we are, 7,000 nautical miles later.
And I told them that you spent 2 years rebuilding the boat.
Yeah, well, 2 years, 2.5 years.
2.5 years?
Yeah.
Oh, so it was almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years.
Oh, God.
That's long. Don't do it.
Would you do it if you had to go back in time? Would you do it again?
No.
No?
Rather work harder and make a little bit more money and then come to the Caribbean and buy a boat here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say there's a lot of downsides of buying a boat here, but I think it's nice. I mean, it's you're in paradise already, kind of thing.
Right.
Hop on in.
Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys, but it's really cozy. I love it.
It's our baby cat.
I love it, but it's super cozy.
It's like a mini cat version.
Yeah, it is a mini cat.
Nice.
You guys did a really good job.
Thank
You guys
tried.
did great.
We tried.
It is lovely.
So like whatever you see here, if you imagine none of this existed, like nothing at all. So like from this, just imagine as bare hulls, that's how we started the boat. So every little piece you see, from cushions to tabletops to the build-ups to the electrical, every single bit, we built everything.
Wow. But that's how you guys bought it?
No, we bought it and it was all like rotten wood and stuff, and then we cut everything out and then we put in new bulkheads, new floors.
That is a lot of work.
It was a lot of work.
Oh
That's
my
why we say,
God.
don't do it. Don't do it.
It's got a super shallow bridge deck, and that's why it gives you this appearance that there's a lot of space here, so you don't actually have a walk-in saloon and then walk down into the hulls. It's kind of all part of one. And in the original design, these were slightly higher, so we kind of copied some parts of the original design of how they had the boat, and then some things we changed. Like in our version, this was actually a bar. So like we served drinks and there's like 4 seats over there. And then this used to actually be a sofa, a seating sofa, yeah. Yeah, and this was the back, and this was the entrance to the bar, yeah.
And this is a 36 foot.
36 foot.
36 foot cat.
36.5.
Yeah.
But it feels a lot bigger. We've been on a 39, on a Lagoon 39, and this feels a lot bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
And everything is 220 volts, so 220 volts, the entire boat. And then it's the first cabin, so this is like a double cabin. And there's 2 of these on either side. So this one is the fishing room. I store my stuff in here. But yeah, better air. Yeah.
It is.
Pretty minimalistic,
pretty
it's
cool.
simplistic, but yeah, try and keep it flowing air and all of that. Because we don't have AC, but since you guys said we must consider it. And then there's the aft cabin, which we kind of just use for storage. We really don't use it much.
Oh, you guys installed new engines too, right?
Yeah, we put the engines in.
Oh my
So
God.
this used to be a single engine boat, used to have a single engine in the middle, and then we put 2 new engines, 1 in each hull. And we did everything ourselves. So,
What do you do? What makes you so prepared to do this kind of work?
so I was a mechanic. I studied to be a mechanical engineer. I am a mechanical engineer. And then I spent a lot of time with my dad. He was in earth moving equipment and stuff and construction. So then I took that knowledge and kind of and self-taught. So spent a lot of time learning really quickly. We've got electric, so behind here is all the Raymarine equipment. That's from on the outside. Here's all DC, here's AC, so 12 volts, 220. And then our monitoring system for the entire boat, which gives us solar, AC, shore or generator, and battery percentage and power input. And then just a little inverter behind there, Victron Multiplus, and then DC to DC converters for our engine charging lithium batteries.
Big freezer.
So that's
Look at
another
you.
freezer.
Wow.
She stays nice and cold. Being
YouTuber stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the other one, and here's the other engine,
Other
right?
engine underneath there. Washing machine. Oh.
What? You guys found the perfect spot for the washing
There's a
machine.
bit of laundry.
How'd you put it in there?
So you have to put the washing machine in first, and then the freezer goes in. Water heater.
Ah.
So it's a gas instant water heater. So we permanently have hot water. We have a single head on the boat,
Nice.
which is shower there, holding tank behind that, and then basin and electric toilet.
Nice.
And then mine and Simone's cabin.
Oh, nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Nice.
It is beautiful, guys. You did
Yeah,
an amazing
thank
job,
you.
honestly.
Yeah, thank you.
Like amazing.
nice.
How much solar power do you guys have?
1,000
Yeah,
watts.
1,000 watts and 450 amp hours of lithium.
Channel.
So you can check our YouTube channel, Sailing Lady Africa, and yeah, we upload.
Why'd you name your boat Lady Africa?
So we're from South Africa, if you guys can't hear already.
Yes. Can you hear the accent?
And so although we are leaving South Africa doesn't leave us. So we were thinking of naming
I
our
love
boat something that follows us. You know, home is where our boat is, and Africa's home. So.
I love that.
So we upload every week our adventures. You can check out our whole boat build from the beginning till now, and what we get up to every week, sailing and yeah, our adventures
Exploring.
pretty much. Yeah.
Nice. So Simone is going to play for us the ukulele because I think that is ukulele.
Ukulele.
The English
Ukulele.
way is ukulele. The right way is ukulele.
It's like a
What
mini
song
guitar.
would you like me to play?
Oh, anything. I don't know. Whatever. What's your favorite song?
Probably play "Baby" by Justin Bieber.
Oh, Not just
No,
Bieber.
I'll play something else. I'll play like a real traveling song.
Okay.
Going. All my friends are selling out. They're only kids, but they're married. It's for the light, for the crowd. Baby, we gotta get out.
I'm getting chills. You're so good. You are so good.
Like when we were stuck in South Africa, I was like,
Yeah.
I need to learn an instrument because I play piano, but you can't play piano.
Yeah.
I was
Right.
like, I want to make small ukulele.
Yeah.
That is awesome. And you sing really good too.
Okay.
Look at you. Were you in a band and that kind of stuff?
No, not at all. I did
Wow.
singing lessons when I was little, but didn't do
I love
anything
it.
with yeah.
That must be so romantic sitting in the sunset and like playing the
I play so, I think I play so often. Ricky's like, shut up, please.
Only sometimes. Most of the times we really enjoy it.
But yeah, it's nice. I get the sun setting, we go sit up front,
Yeah.
chill.
Say bye, Hakuna.
Peace, Hakuna. We're never coming back.
I don't say that.
I could say whatever I want, people, you know?